internal combustion engine has relied on a single, indisputable mechanical advantage to justify its continued existence on our roads for over a century: the sheer, brute force speed of refueling. Pumping liquid hydrocarbons into a pressurized fuel tank is a simple mechanical action that takes approximately 4 minutes. For a very long time, the global electric vehicle industry accepted that overcoming this fundamental thermodynamic limit was physically impossible. Moving physical liquid is one thing, but moving a massive tsunami of electrons through copper wiring generates one unavoidable byproduct: catastrophic heat. In standard EV architectures, trying to match the speed of a petrol pump would melt the charging cables, fuse the contactors, and vaporize the battery cells. That physical barrier has just been violently shattered. What you are looking at is the Avatr 12, a high-voltage architectural masterpiece co-engineered by CATL and Huawei. But beneath this aerodynamic, glassless aluminium monocoque lies an electrochemical anomaly that completely rewrites the fundamental laws of energy transfer. We are not looking at a standard 400-volt or even a conventional 800-volt architecture. We are looking at the absolute bleeding edge of kinetic motion, the third generation of Kilian and Shenzhou super-fast charging architectures. We are talking about a battery pack capable of absorbing a massive 15C charge rate. The engineering data is absolute and terrifying for traditional automakers. 10% to 80% state of charge in precisely 3 minutes and 44 seconds. This is not a concept rendering or a laboratory experiment. This is a production-ready thermodynamic vault that charges faster than a high-performance V8 SUV can fill its petrol tank. Today, we will dissect the microscopic engineering, the sub-ohm internal resistance, the aerodynamic drag coefficients, and the violent thermal management systems required to inject this level of kinetic energy into the Avatr 12 chassis without melting the aluminum frame to the ground. If you are tired of superficial car reviews that only talk about leather seats, and you want to dissect the actual forensic engineering that is rewriting the automotive industry, you are in the right place. Welcome to Drive and RPM. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let us get our hands dirty with some serious high-voltage mechanics. To truly understand the sheer violence of a 3-minute and 44-second charging cycle, we must zoom into the microscopic battlefield of internal electrical resistance. Ohm's law dictates that when you force a colossal wave of electrons into a lithium-ion cell, electrical resistance inherently creates parasitic heat. In a standard fast-charging EV platform, internal resistance sits around 0.5 to 1.0 milliohms. Pushing a 15C charge rate through that level of resistance would instantly trigger a thermal runaway event. The liquid electrolyte would boil, the internal pressure would rupture the casing, and the structural integrity of the battery pack would be catastrophically breached. Furthermore, under extreme fast charging in older architectures, lithium ions fail to intercalate cleanly into the anode. They pile up on the surface, forming microscopic metallic spikes known as lithium dendrites. These dendrites act like metallic needles, eventually piercing the separator and causing a fatal short circuit. To make the Avatr 12 the fastest charging machine on the road, engineers had to completely alter the physical topology of the cell itself, achieving a horribly low internal resistance of just 0.25 milliohms. How was this physical impossibility achieved? By completely re-engineering the anode and mastering the Solid Electrolyte Interphase, or SEI layer. Instead of a traditional flat graphite surface, the third-generation cells utilize a 3D honeycomb structural anode, combined with a proprietary silicon carbon composite. Silicon can hold 10 times more lithium than graphite, but it typically swells and fractures during charging. By creating a nanoporous carbon matrix around the silicon particles, the engineers provided a flexible vault for the silicon to expand into without destroying the anode structure. This expands the surface area exponentially, creating an ultra-dense, multi-layered nanonetwork. Think of it as replacing a single, narrow country road with a 100-lane super freeway for lithium ions. This isotropic graphite technology allows electrons to intercalate into the anode from multiple angles simultaneously. It completely bypasses the traditional bottlenecks, virtually eliminating the formation of dendrites and stabilizing the SEI layer permanently. The Avatr 12 does not just accept electrical power, it swallows it with zero electromechanical friction. Charging from 10% to 80% in under 4 minutes requires a C rate that defies conventional battery logic. The ACM stands for the rate at which a battery is charged or discharged relative to its maximum capacity. A 1C rate charges a battery in 1 hour. The architecture inside the Avatr 12 is engineered to withstand peak rates of 15C. This means the battery is absorbing energy 15 times faster than its total capacity volume per hour. Managing this apocalyptic flow of electrons requires computational and switching perfection. The Avatr 12 utilizes a dedicated battery management system powered by Huawei, sampling individual cell voltages thousands of times per second. This data is fed into a pure Silicon Carbide, or SiC, inverter. Traditional silicon-based insulated gate bipolar transistors, or IGBTs, suffer from massive switching losses when handling immense currents. They cannot open and close fast enough, turning wasted energy into extreme heat. The SiC MOSFETs in the Avatr 12 have a much wider band gap, allowing them to operate at radically higher frequencies and voltages. This reduces energy switching loss by up to 30%, ensuring that the electrical tsunami coming from the charging cable is translated perfectly into stored chemical energy without generating excess parasitic heat. But what happens when the ambient temperature drops? Cold weather is the traditional enemy of battery chemistry, increasing fluid viscosity and slowing ion transfer. Where standard electric vehicles severely restrict charging speeds in freezing conditions to prevent battery degradation, the Avatr 12 utilizes a revolutionary high-frequency pulse self-heating matrix. Instead of using inefficient external resistive heaters, the SiC inverter violently oscillates the internal current back and forth at a specific Hertz frequency. This rapid oscillation creates internal friction directly inside the cells, raising the core temperature of the pack by 4 degrees Celsius per minute. This allows the Avatr 12 to achieve an 80% charge in just 9 minutes, even in minus 30-degree environments, completely eradicating cold weather charging anxiety. Injecting this level of megawatt power into a vehicle is only half the engineering equation. Extracting the parasitic heat and managing the physical mass of the battery is where the true mechanical mastery lies. The traditional method of placing a flat liquid cooling plate beneath the battery pack is mechanically insufficient for a 15C thermal load. Furthermore, using a standard water and glycol mix is a massive safety hazard near high-voltage bus bars. To solve this, the Avatr 12 utilizes the advanced cell-to-pack 3.0 structural integration. Instead of passively cooling the bottom of the cells, the thermal management system features elastic microchannels violently sandwiched directly between the individual cell flanks. This quadruple surface cooling matrix expands the heat exchange area by an astonishing 400%. A specialized ACHOH, non-conductive dielectric fluid, is pumped through these microchannels at high pressure, achieving a phase change-like thermal extraction that absorbs heat instantly. But this cooling matrix is highly structural. The cooling plates act as rigid, energy-absorbing cross members. The battery pack is no longer dead weight. It is a stressed structural component of the Avatr 12's monocoque. This integration pushes the torsional rigidity of the chassis beyond 40,000 Newton-meters per degree, rivaling bespoke carbon fiber supercars. But carrying an ultra-dense battery requires a suspension capable of defying physics. The Avatr 12 completely deletes traditional passive dampers. It integrates an active dual-chamber air suspension paired with Huawei's iTrack system. This computational suspension uses a triple LiDAR array and high-resolution cameras to scan the road surface microtopography 100 times per second. It preemptively adjusts the continuous damping control valves on all 4 corners before the tire even hits the bump, It completely isolates the sprung mass of the heavy high-voltage chassis from the unsprung mass of the wheels. The absolute beauty of a battery architecture designed to absorb energy at 15 C is that it can discharge energy with the exact same violent efficiency. The Avatr 12 is not merely a fast-charging luxury saloon. It is a digital weapon cutting through the air. The lack of a rear window is not a design gimmick. It eliminates the heavy structural cross member usually required for rear glass, extending the roofline continuously to achieve an incredibly low aerodynamic drag coefficient, further maximizing the high-voltage efficiency at high speeds. Because the internal resistance is locked at 0.25 milliohm, the voltage sag under heavy acceleration is virtually non-existent. This structural pack can sustain a discharge peak of over 3,000 kilowatts without triggering any thermal throttling. When the driver engages the throttle, the dual electric motors receive a pure, uninterrupted wave of kinetic power. These are not standard motors. They feature high-density hairpin windings in the stator. Instead of wrapping round copper wire, the stator is packed with flat, rectangular copper bars, drastically increasing the copper slot fill factor. This reduces electrical resistance and massively increases torque density. Furthermore, the rotor is cooled by spraying dielectric oil directly onto the spinning magnets inside the casing, preventing demagnetization at extreme temperatures. These motors execute millimeter-perfect torque vectoring instantly. There is no waiting for turbochargers to spool, no waiting for a gearbox to drop a cog, and no waiting for fuel to atomize in a cylinder. It is an instant, mathematical translation of electrons into brutal, tire-shredding mechanical force at over 18,000 RPM. The integration of this 3-minute charging architecture into the Avatr 12 signifies the total and complete collapse of the internal combustion engine's final sanctuary. When an electric vehicle can regenerate hundreds of kilometers of range in the exact time it takes to walk into a petrol station and pay for fuel, the mechanical complexity of pistons, valves, and crankshafts becomes entirely obsolete. The classical engineering era is over. The high-voltage architectural era has definitively taken the throne. What is your take on this level of engineering? Does a 3-minute charge officially put the traditional V8 engine in the history books? Or do you still prefer mechanical complexity over digital power? Let us debate down in the comments. Thank you for riding with us today. This was Drive and RPM, and we will see you in the next deep dive.